I'm filling this space. Scooter.
Band is easily distracted, so no flash photography or video lighting. Please do not sit or stand on the handrails.
The penguins, they're the best.
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Hey, Scooter? Hey, what's happening?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Gonzo?
Great crowd. They love my stall tactics.
Carmelo.
They can't get enough.
I'm going back in.
Here I come, girls.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
No, limo, actually.
Limo.
Here.
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half.
Woohoo!
Okay, we should get going.
What about all of them?
How we feel about it, man?
Right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that.
Ah, look at Kermit's banjo up there.
We got places to
See it?
be and people to rock.
I'm in no rush. Holy free holies. I'm
Everybody, please stow your belongings and assist your smaller rock stars. Pull down on your shoulder restraint until it locks into place. Head against the headrest and see your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Oh yes, that's right. Okay.
I love it.
Did you like it? Yeah. I like soaring around the world better, personally. But
Please stow your belongings and assist your smaller rock stars. Pull down on your shoulders. I believe I've fun the best out of the concert. Let's patch our guest concert audio.
We're gonna make this next grooveliciously groovy tune double the fun. My heavenly Miss Hudson. Shall we begin?
Hustler, you ready?
Let's rock!
Animal, how about you?
You ready, Aaliyah? Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Woo! 3, 2, 1. That was awesome.
Congratulations, you've all made it to the best part of the ride.
All right, home skillets, we made it. That was fun. They did a good job with this. I liked it a lot.
Yeah, me too.
Holy cow. Oh, look who's up here. Stettler and Waldorf. Roller coaster. Wow. That was so fun. The Electric Mayhem. Here we go.
Animal finally made it to the concert.
That's not Animal.
Oops. Sorry, lady.
All right, home skillets, we're done.
Pull down towards you. Look up.
Oh. Good times, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
I wonder if they're selling merch. Oh, scan us, Aaliyah, because they're free. You find us? So in case you're wondering how this whole Passholder preview thing worked today, so basically they called groups 1 through 18 right out of the gate at 9:30 this morning. So it created that massive line that rolled all the way down past Beauty and the Beast. And it was moving kind of quickly, but so after the first 18, cast members said that they're actually going to start calling groups in smaller doses like they did with the virtual queue for Guardians and stuff like that. But I will say this, put some sunblock on if you are doing this group tomorrow or Saturday or Sunday, I think it goes to, because half of that line is in the sun and it was blazing. It's all craziness. All right, we're gonna head back to the pool. But while we're headed that way, I'm gonna say this, that was a lot of fun. I liked it more than Rock and Roll with Aerosmith for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's the Muppets. That's first and foremost. Number 2, the soundtrack for Aerosmith's stuff was a little bit long in the tooth, if you ask me. And bye, have a good day.
You gotta finish the drink before leaving.
Oh, all right, so that was a lot of fun. I got interrupted the last time I started talking about it, but so I like it better than Aerosmith. Just for number 1, it was the Muppets, which is incredible. The pre-show with Scooter and the Electric Mayhem and Kermie and Gonzo was awesome. That's really good. The thing that I'm gonna say about this ride, which is very cool, is the fact that the music is totally different because Aerosmith, it kind of got a little long in the tooth there after a while because it's been there so long. But also when you're outside, they're playing all sorts of different, really good rock music and stuff like that. So it is pretty fun. And the ride itself, the inside, there's all sorts of Easter eggs everywhere. I'm gonna have to go through it a couple times, but it was a lot of fun. Can't wait to ride it again. So it opens on the 26th of May, which is Tuesday. And yeah, and already if you're looking for lightning lanes, they sold out a while ago. So lightning lanes are gone for the 26th and the 27th. Passholder weekends, if you're seeing this, today's the 21st, then you can actually,
Thank you, our bus left.
dang it, get on, try to get the Passholder preview. I think they're doing it till Saturday. So there's that. All right, heading back.